And the other thing which is Namaskar, ladies and gentlemen. I hope this day finds you as well as this day finds me right here. So I'll be explaining about 13th of December, whatever event happened that day, based on the series which I call Unlocking My Secret Superpower. Okay, so beginning from the superpower itself. So firstly, what I did yesterday was I have slept earlier than 11:28. I'll tell you how afterwards. Then I woke up earlier at 7 and something, I guess 7 or 6. I can't honestly remember, and that is today. And so I thought I was not. I am not having proper sleep, so I slept again, and I woke up at 8 and some minutes later, and I continued with my daily chores, which I'll tell you in tomorrow's video for sure. And what other thing helped me is walking. I included walking in every part, which I haven't been doing the day before yesterday, that is 12th of December, right? So I included it in my routine and it really helped me, and I'll be continuing doing so. So I made my routine such a way, so it will be very much interesting to continue this process. And another thing which I did is I am continuing a little bit of pain in this particular segment of my body part, but yeah, I defeated lost, which I am very happy about. And talking about something else which really helped me throughout is that I was doing something important, so I was not able to continue the way with that 7 a.m 7 p.m thing. So what I did was I saw the phone, and that is why from that particular phone uses I got the time 11:28, and the phone was not used after that. So yeah, that is very much interesting in itself. So we'll be heading towards our next segment, Girl Lessons from Mistakes. For this, I have lessons from various things. For example, from superpower itself to practices lessons and all. So beginning from first itself, that is, I won't be using phone after the distraction time. So I planned to set the distraction time by 3, to be distracted here itself and go home afterwards. But what I thought afterwards is, since I'm experimenting with all these things, so what I thought is it would be good if I go reach my home, watch some means freshen up, watch some television, have a meal, then go for work and do other chores like that. So that will be more applicable, and I'll be starting it from 3:40 to 4:40, which will be great, I guess. Yeah, so I need to figure out this timing, and I guess 3:40 would be applicable to leave, or I don't know, to start. So I'll be thinking about that particular thing. And the other thing which is called that I'll be keeping timer for the practice, because it has really been a hard for to get with the timing, to match with the timing. It won't be too much problem if I get 5 minutes more, but yeah, if I get more things with it, it will be very hard for me myself. And talking about another thing, we'll integrate scripting and planning after doing all these things, because I was as I mentioned earlier, Astrid was not in the class, and there was program in her school, so she didn't have any assignments to deal with. So yeah, because of that particular reason. And another thing which I need to mention right here, I must focus on myself, because I'm focusing on various things, this and that. So that's pulling me backward rather than pushing me forward. So yeah, that's something which I thought to share with you. Now I'll be heading towards another segment, which is the last segment for the day or the video, that is called one liner updates. Now the first thing which I need to mention right here is the what is it called, the thing which I have said I will be mentioning, that is that why is it so that half an hour went on for 1 hour. I have mentioned in the last point of the last segment. That is because we didn't had that particular time segment to divide it with. So because of that particular reason, it has been such a way. And another thing which I want to share right here is I have focused more on editing. I gave more time, and will continue doing so for maybe 2 hours and all. So because of that particular reason, I can push myself more into content, because I'm thinking to have more projects on filmmaking and all. So that is why. And another thing which I want to share right here is, while coming here to do my all work and all. So I got a person who betrayed me earlier, which I'll tell you in the next video. And that is it for today. I'll see you all tomorrow at 8 a.m. based on the time zone of Nepal. You are listening to Liver Tales. This is me, Armakaki, signing off. Yelling at me, yelling. For this, I have,